Watching out for you, this is Storm Team 8.
Cloud cover actually keeping temperatures down a little bit. We're at 85 in Grand Rapids, 89 in Kalamazoo, and a little bit cooler along the lakefront. Here's the view of those clouds. You can see over the last several hours they've started to thin out, and as we go into the evening we'll go from partly cloudy, which is what we are right now, to mostly clear overnight. Temperatures on the mild side, even though we have these warm afternoons. The air is fairly dry, and so temperatures at night are allowed to cool into the low 60s and upper 50s. We're looking westward toward Lake Michigan from our downtown Grand Rapids GVSU Skycam, and you can see a lot of blue sky here toward Lake Michigan. Now, the farther inland you are, like out on the other side of town, this is Calvin College now, you can see we've got more cloud cover. It's away from Lake Michigan where we had those clouds pop up, and that's going to be the trend here for the rest of the early evening. Beneficiary of the nice weather, of course, the kids and staff and interns out at the Miranda Park Party. That's coming up tomorrow. We'll be in Collin Park in Holland. Great weather for this. Temperatures in the low and mid 80s, a very light east breeze, and the heat index, that's the feels like temperature, will be in the upper 80s to around 90. Very similar actually to the air temperatures, just because the dew points, the measure of moisture in the atmosphere, quite low. Right now, winds off Lake Michigan. That's keeping us cooler right at the immediate beachfront. Look at the lighthouse temps. 65 here at Big Red in Holland, 66 in South Haven, and 75 at the beach in Grand Haven. But you move inland and we're closer to 90. Grand Rapids now at 87. Our 8-day forecast calls for a lot of warm weather, very little rain, which we desperately need. High temperatures tomorrow, around 91 inland with cooler temps at the lakefront. We have a small chance of evening showers, thunderstorms coming up here on Friday, just 20%. Same thing here for Saturday, 20% chance continues. A little bit better chance of precip coming up for Sunday at 30%, and then back to 20% coming up on Monday and Tuesday. We need a massive downpour, Sue and Marley, and we don't have that coming up here in the 8-day forecast. High temperatures, you can see most of these days will be in the low 80s. Headed out to Lake Michigan tomorrow, rip current risk is going to be low. East winds 0 to 5. Not much of a chop out in the lake. Water temps kind of sporadic, depends on where you are. A lot of churning going on in the lake over the last several days, and so we're at 52 for a water temp today in Grand Haven, but 69 in Ludington. Might be worth the road trip. That's a fun one anyway.
Yeah, refreshing. Okay. Thanks,
Kyle.